Now that we're in ImageReady, I'm going to show you how you can make a very simple web animation using this bird. I'm going to go to Window and choose Animation, and again I'm inside of ImageReady, which is almost a carbon copy of Photoshop, except a few things are different, like an animation palette exists in ImageReady but not in Photoshop. Now in animation, or traditional animation, we have frames and cells, and both of them are primarily the same. A frame is a picture of the object in one position. A cell is also the same thing. To animate this bird, I'm simply not going to make it fly, but I'm going to make it move from one point to another. Now this is frame 1 at the moment, so I'm going to move this over here at this point. So you see frame 1 indicates that the bird is to the left. If I add a new frame, I can reposition the bird to the other side, and notice that frame 1 it's in one position and frame 2 it's in another. Now it always helps to have your layers out as well. So I'm animating the bird and not the background. So you see frame 1 is the beginning keyframe, and frame 2 is the ending keyframe. And we want to tell the computer what to do in the middle. So what do? We make sure we're on frame 1, and right here it says tween, and tween means in between. It's the process of tweening, meaning the computer will do all the work in the middle. So it's called in between. I click here, and what we want to do is animate the first frame with the second frame. So it's tween with next frame, which is number 2. Frames to add in the middle, we'll say 4. And I want to tween, let's say, all layers or the selected layer. Well, we'll just do all layers. Now what am I animating? I'm animating position. You can animate opacity and effects. So what we're going to do right now is click OK. And now if I hit play, the bird is moving from point A to point B. Now he's a little bit quick there, but each frame has a delay. We're clicking here and saying 1 second. If I click play, there we go, see? So if I hit stop, this will select the previous frame, this will select the next frame, this will jump you to the beginning, this will create a new frame, or it pretty much duplicates your present frame, and this throws away a frame. Now if I don't like the animation, I want to start over, I can go here and simply say delete animation, and I have room to start over. So again, frame 1, I duplicate to frame 2, except reposition it this time, and click on frame 1 because you want to tween or animate from this point. You click here to tween with next frame, say position, click OK, and hit play. Good. Now if you want to preview in the browser, all I gotta do, click the big blue E. And it's going to preview in the browser with information about the image. And this is what it looks like. And if I scroll down, there's information about the image, the file size, the format that it would have to be. All animations are GIF format only. The settings that we applied, and the HTML that I can copy and paste. In the next lesson, we'll export to Flash. That was a GIF animation. Now let's make a Flash animation.